Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty with a deal alert.
I am on the DollarTree.com website, and if you scroll down, today is 7/6/20. If you scroll down on their homepage, don't miss this $1 yarn exclusively online. So one, are they not getting just yarn in anymore at the store? Because I was just at Dollar Tree maybe a week ago and they had the pretty sand. Oops, sorry folks, got cut off. That was the Spin Right factory outlet calling to confirm my order from their monthly sale flyer, which is a really quick turnaround. I will post down below in the description box the deal alert that I sent out, I think yesterday, for their sale from 7/4/20 to 7/18/20. But they had everything that I ordered, and I'm super happy. That was really like a one-day turnaround because I ordered on Saturday, they're closed Sunday, and they called me Monday at 10:45. So super happy with that. We'll see how long it takes to get here. Okay, so I was talking about the Dollar Tree deal alert. So are they going to be carrying the Just Yarn anymore? Question mark. So I came on for this, and then I'm going to get into more detail of the different kinds because there's a new kind of Just Yarn on the website that I want to let you guys know about. But I also was tootling around the other craft supplies, and it says here that they have Floral Garden Crochet Burlap Ribbon, 2 yard rolls. So there's 3 different kinds. I mean, you have to buy a quantity though. It's 40 per case, so I'm assuming it's 40. So that's the crochet burlap ribbon I found. And then, do you guys know they have cross-stitch sets at Dollar Tree that are geared towards beginning cross-stitchers? So I have gotten some of these before, and they're pretty easy to do. So they have a butterfly, a heart, a dinosaur, and a frog. They look like that in the store. They come with the yarn that you need to make it. They come with the I don't know if you can see that, it's yellow, the plastic needle. That's the heart kit, the butterfly kit, the frog kit, and the dinosaur kit. So these you have to order by the case. So maybe they'd be a good idea if you have a group of people that want to do it, or I don't know. But so it's 4 different styles divided by 24. So you would get 6 of each style per case. So 6 $4 gifts. I mean, I don't know. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. They're really nice. Now to talk about the yarn. So I'm going to go to the yarn page.
This is easy too.
All right, so now we're going to go to the yarn page, and there is actually a couple pretty important things I have to talk about. So this is the Just Yarn worsted that they have had previously at the store. I don't think they've had this color there before though. This is Purple Haze. Now the minimum you can buy online is 6 units, and there's a small handling fee if you do that. But they have really raised the size of the case. So 120, I think before you could buy about half of that. Now you got to buy 120 skeins. So that's a little excessive. Just a heads up on that. I mean, unless you have a use for 120 Purple Haze yarns. So that was the first thing I wanted to give you a heads up on. It's still 131 yards, and it's 100% acrylic. Here's a picture of the label. Medium 4-weight, a size 5 crochet hook, 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, 5 millimeter knitting needle, and, Haze is the color, not Purple Haze. Dirk. And then we're going to go back. and see what other colors they have. So they have just aqua blue. That's pretty. They have black. Now I think they've had black at the store before. The first group they got had white and black in it, I believe, unless I'm remembering it correctly. They definitely had the white in store before. Because I know they've had this online too. Let me just click on that and see if you have to buy 100 and goodness knows. Oh, yep, they've definitely raised it. 120 per case. So just to keep your eye on that. There's still some more important information here. Stay with me, folks. So this is the other thing I want to let you guys know about. Premier Just Cotton. This has never been on this website before. I have not seen this in stores yet. So this is the color of the one here. I like that it says, for crafters, makers, knitters, and crocheters. That's kind of cool. It is, big picture. Premier Just Pastel Blue Cotton Yarn, 104 yards. So this one is even more units per case at $159. It's $1 per unit. You can buy 6 units, but there's going to be a handling fee. So judgment call on that. Now, just an FYI alert. This says Just Cotton. If you go down and you click on the label, it's 85% cotton, 15% polyester. So it is not 100% cotton. Just keep that in mind. 104 yards, 4 medium weight, 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, 5 millimeter knitting needles. Machine wash, warm, tumble dry, low heat. Pastel blue. So yeah, just so you know, not 100% cotton, 85% cotton, 15% polyester. Now let's go see what other colors they have. So that's the worsted. There's the first Just Cotton, pastel blue. Worsted cream. Just Cotton in white. Just Cotton in yellow. That's a nice buttery yellow color. Butter acrylic. Red acrylic for holiday crafting. That's exciting. Just Cotton cream, so that's like an off-white. Just Cotton in gray. And then they still have some of the Premier Home Cotton. Now, if I click on the Premier Home Cotton, you can get 36 of these, which is more reasonable than 100 and gosh knows. So this one is also 85% cotton, 15% polyester. It's not 100% cotton. And this one's 131 yards. So in Premier Home, they still have, what is this one called? Pastel pink. I'll show you the other colors, hold on. They still have lime green, also 131 yards. They still have carrot. This makes me think I'm making pumpkins when I see it. 140 yards. Oh, wait a minute. So the carrot has more yardage, 9 more yards. And then Summer Kitchen, so the variegated ones always have less yardage. Coral Splash, that's pretty. Rainbow, and Rainbow is also 96 yards. And Pewter, and Honeydew, that's like a genie type color, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know about these deals. And again, this is not 100% cotton yarn, but I wanted to let you know about these deals on DollarTree.com. All right, have an awesome day. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss any more deal alerts. And my channel is all about stretching your craft dollar and being affordably crafty. Share if you're so inclined. Have a creative day. Bye.